Hey guys, Pandora here, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I'm back, guys, on behalf of the Residual Income Code. Um, this is a little marketing system I discovered that's a low ticket on the front end, and it has 6 income streams built inside it. And it starts with a product called Engagely that's only $27 plus $10 for the administration fee. And this product with inside of Residual Income Code, okay, it's called Engagely. Okay, Engagely is the product that's going to give you 100 ads that you can post on social media to get engagement from your audience so they can find out more information about your post that you posted. Okay, so the system, Residual Income Code, is the free system. Okay, this system is free, but it's 6 income streams built inside. Okay, the front end product is the $27 product that I'm speaking of. Okay, with 100 ads. Okay, and the 6 income streams, you're going to plug into those as you go through it. It's 3 steps right here. 1, 2, 3. Copy and paste your way to 27 to 567 per day. Step 2, automate your profits. Step 3, 10 times your income. Okay, Easy One Up is included in this funnel, in this income stream. Okay, that's a product that I've been promoting. All right, so Engagely, the product. I've been getting a lot of calls about it. It's a great product, guys. If you want to just copy paste on social media, that's free. Okay, all the social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of those. And I want to show you a post and how it's engaging my audience. Okay, I have a few Instagram accounts. And of course, I've also been emailing this to my list too, but I haven't really been spending a lot of money on the marketing on it as of yet. I'm going to start sending some text messages out here this week. But I just want to show you how it works, guys. So for 27 bucks, at least get these ads, okay? And you can post these ads everywhere. You don't have to worry about guessing what you need to say, okay? Just post them. You can do this from your smartphone. Okay, this is what I did. I did it from my smartphone. I don't sit at my computer all day. I have time of the day. Throughout the day, I post some ads and I go on about my day. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick what one of my posts look like. Okay, let's see. Okay, I copy pasted this, guys. Here's one of the ads that's in Engagely. Got a PayPal in 5 minutes per day. I just found a brand new method that'll flood your PayPal account with limitless $27 to $1,000 instant commissions. Like this post and I'll message you the info, okay? Then I put my name across here that identifies me, and I put this on this cup. I work from home, but this ad, I got this from the Engagely system, the $27 I spent. And here's how I posted it. And I got 26 likes. That was 2 days ago. Okay? It's so simple. Learn how to leverage the internet to make money online. Click the link. Okay? And I have a link in there too. But this is what I put. And I'm engaging people. 26 likes on this. I have another post. I'm going to show that one to you too. Hold on. Okay, here's another one, guys. Got a PayPal. Want to collect limitless $27 to $1,000 instant commissions? Message me for details. 37 likes 5 days ago. This is it. I got this from the $27 product that I purchased. I don't make these ads up. I copy pasted it. I use an app. I can tell you what app I use. I put this color in the back. And I just pasted the information, okay? And it's engaging people. That's what you want, and they'll ask for information, okay? Let me show you here. Get all these ads, and you can do the same thing. Okay, let me pull this up. Engagely, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for Residual Income Code. Purchase Engagely, even if you don't get the other 5 income streams right now. Right here. Did you see this? Access your pre-written ads. These are pre-written 100 plus ads, okay? Get these ads, and you can see there's a bonus in here also, the purple cow. Okay, there's a couple bonuses, but it's 27 bucks. Okay, so here's 100 plus ads, so you can do exactly what I did and get people engaged with your post, and they will get more information, or they just go to your link. I have a link included as well, but that's all you need to do. And get this and crank it, and you get instant commissions. Okay, I got the gentleman never even called me. We never had conversations. I don't know who he is. I do see that he's opted into the page, but he never called. He just signed up. So that was just instant commission passively on autopilot. Okay, you can do the same thing. Let me show you here. Okay, see right here. I'm gonna click it so you can see it. Oh, where did it go? Hold on. Okay, here is the notification. You've made a sale as an affiliate. 208. That was 5 hours ago today. It comes from Kartra. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. I haven't even really started sending traffic. Okay, which I'm going to do. All right, guys. So yeah, I haven't started running traffic like I'm going to do. So that's all you need to do. So if you don't have any money for traffic right now, it's okay. Just post those ads like I just showed you. Different social media websites, okay, and just copy paste. Okay, that's all you need to do. Like it says here, free done for you system. You're just gonna purchase the Engagely ads, okay, to at least get the ads, but you can also, you have the option to go ahead and plug into the other 5 income streams, which gives you a total of 6 income streams in this one system. Market one system, and it includes 6 income streams, okay? All the way down from $27, actually up to $1,000 level, because Easy One Up goes up to $2,000. So it's a lot of potential within this little marketing system, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for you. Go ahead and go through the funnel, check it out. It's free to just check it out. And if you want Engagely, spend 27 plus 10 bucks to go ahead and get those 100 ads, all right? If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call after you actually have gone over the website and watched the little video. Reach out to me. By the way, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Like the video and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for checking it out and tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.